You're gonna love the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LD. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering.